Greetings, library patrons. My name is Jeff. I'm with the York County Library, your community link. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at RBdigital, another one of our fine online resources. To get started, go up, open any browser, and point it to yclibrary.org. Once at our home page, hover over the Browse menu. Go down and click on Virtual Library. Then we'll scroll down this page until we get to RBdigital. We'll click on that link. That opens the RBdigital home page. Up in the upper right-hand corner, you see we have links to register and sign in. If this is your first time or you do not have an account, you'll click on Register. That opens a form to be filled out. You'll make up a username, a password, confirm the password, and then you'll put in your library card number in this field. That's a 14-digit number on the back of your library card underneath your barcode. It starts 2320500. The last 7 digits are unique to your account. If you are a recent patron and you applied for an e-card online, the 14-digit number would have been emailed to you. If for whatever reason you do not have a library card number or you don't remember what it is, just use the Contact Us link on the upper right-hand corner of our homepage, yclibrary.org, and fill out the form with your first and last name, home address, and date of birth, and we can look that information up for you and we will get it to you as soon as possible. Down here you'll want to click on I accept the terms and service, and up here you'll fill out your first name, last name, email, confirm your email, and your postal code, then click on register, and you will have an account at RBdigital and you'll be signed up for all of their content. I'm going to pause now and sign into my account. Okay, we are all signed in. You can see it says Welcome Jeff. It's not immediately apparent what we should do here. I will tell you that once you're signed into RBdigital, you may want to go ahead and check out the help section. It's over on the upper right hand corner. You just click on that. They have an excellent help section, and this will kind of walk you through. Again, they have general questions here. Then they have a tutorial, and you can watch that video tutorial. They have frequently asked questions, and again, you can switch between ebooks and audiobooks. They have troubleshooting section and support, and you can also submit a ticket. You will probably want to go ahead and download and install these apps on your various devices because they will be required to access some of the material at RBdigital. Now, if you want to look for an ebook, the best way to do that is to go over to this menu icon in the upper left-hand corner. Click that and you'll see the menu opens. The first item are books, and we have audiobooks and ebooks. So let's click on ebooks. That brings up our ebooks. Now, I will say this about the ebooks at RBdigital. They are mostly public domain, classic type of books. You will not find the current top 10 bestsellers here. So this is probably not the place you want to come for your ebooks. That does not mean that you can't use the ebooks here. And we're going to check out one. Let's go with Captain's Courageous here. We could scroll through and see some other titles, and you can see that most of them are public domain types of books. Let's go ahead and click on Civil Disobedience. Now, if I want to check this out, I would just click on Checkout right here, and it automatically downloads. I can download again. Now, you can see down here it downloaded, and I would use the RBdigital reader to open that book. That's why I said you might want to go ahead and install that while you're at the help page. You can check them out for 14 days, as you can see. And we'll go back here and go back up to audiobooks. Now, they do have some top-selling audiobooks, as you can see. They still don't have quite the selection that either Overdrive or Hoopla has, but they have some very fine selections, and they have some that are only available on RBdigital. And if I want to check out an audiobook, I want to check out Daniel Steele, you see I can hit this and listen to a preview if I want. And right now it's not available. I can put a hold on it. If I did that, I would just click there and I just get notified that the hold is complete. And like any other digital hold or real life hold, they will send me an email when this becomes available. Now, if I want to check out something right away, let's scroll a little bit and get something maybe that's not quite as popular. Let's see. Let's try this one, Lethal Game. I can check it out. It's available. I can, again, listen to a preview if I want and go ahead and hit checkout. And I can play it now in the browser, or as you see, it downloaded as well. And I would open that file with the RBdigital app that I installed earlier. Or I could play it now in the browser. If I hit play now, it opens a little window here. And it's loading up. And you can see that I can play. I would hit play here, and I'll just...
Recorded Books and RBdigital present.
There you go. And I can skip ahead if I want and play each chapter. Don't know why you would do that, but hey, it's available to you if you want. And you can listen to it, again, you can listen to it right here in your browser. So that's basically it for ebooks and audiobooks. Now, RBdigital is a great resource. Ebooks and audiobooks are probably not going to be your first choice for here, but in our next video, we're going to look at magazines and some entertainment and education options that you can only get at RBdigital that are fantastic options. So join us for the next video. In the meantime, keep using our virtual library and online resources and stay safe, and we'll see you next time.